Abacus classes.
Good evening, students. Welcome back. I hope you all are safe at home. So stay home, stay safe. Welcome to the Abacus classes. Abacus Maths, making your child count. I am your Abacus teacher, Miss Garima Singh. I hope kids you remember me. Very nice. Kids, before starting our today's topic, I will discuss that what we have studied in our previous video, or we can say the previous topic. In my previous video, we have solved the sums related to this formula. And I have also given you one practice PDF related to this formula, or you can say with my previous video. मैंने अपनी प्रीवियस वीडियो के साथ आपको एक प्रैक्टिस पीडीएफ भी दी थी. आई थिंक स्टूडेंट्स दैट यू हैव सॉल्व दैट पीडीएफ इन योर एपिकस नोटबुक. आई होप कि आपने वो प्रैक्टिस पीडीएफ अपनी एपिकस नोटबुक में सॉल्व की होगी. नाउ किड्स, टुडे वी विल टेक द नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला विच इज +2 = +5 - 3. Now today we will do the sums related to this formula. Means our today's sums are based on this. Our today's sums will get the lack of beat 2, and we will apply this formula in our sums. So kids, let's start our today's topic. First of all, the formula which we will use, I will write it here. Now, a quick revision of the abacus tool. As you can see here, I have drawn abacus tool for you. I will do the sums on this abacus tool. This is the mid rod. Mid rod means the mid dot rod. Beach ki rod, middle one. And it's called units rod or ones rod, you can say. Just besides the ones rod is the tens rod. And in these two rods only we do our calculation. Kids, in these two rods, as you know, the upper one is 5 and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 50 and this is 10, 20, 30, 40. Now kids, previously also we have used this abacus tool. Now the best way to learn abacus is, kids, just play my video and put the tool in front of you and do with me. This time also I request all the students to please take the abacus tool with them, and as I do the sum here, you also do the sum in your tool. As I will do the sum in this abacus tool, I will rub the beads, I will put them up, down, whatever. That you also do in your abacus tool. It is the easiest and the quick method to learn abacus. So kids, I hope all are having their abacus tool with them. Very nice. So let's start with our first sum. 99 minus 55, 22, 11. It's your first sum, students. So please watch it carefully. Now, as I always says, that this row will go in ones rod and this row will go in tens rod. Means the numbers which are to the right hand side, जो numbers आपके right hand side में हैं, these are the numbers, they will go in this ones rod, and the numbers which are there in your left hand side, means this side, they will go in tens rod. This row will go in ones rod, this row will go in tens rod, and please watch the sign carefully. Very nice. Now first of all, this 9. Now we have to put this 9 in ones rod. So put 9. For 9 we will take the help of 5, See, 5 I have put down. 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9. And these 4 bees I will rub. Are you getting this, kids? See, I have told you to add. What we will do? We will put the beads up. And for minus, we will put the beads down. Means add up, minus down. Add up, minus down. So, for adding 5, we have put the 5 bead down. Listen, kids, again I am telling you that as the bead touches the bar, this is the bar. You can say bar, you can say the middle line also. जब ये बीट इस लाइन को टच करती है तो इसकी वैल्यू होती है. नाउ सी दिस इज अप, इट हैज नो वैल्यू, इसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. बट एज द बीट टचेस द बार, जब ये बीट इस लाइन को टच करती है तो इसकी वैल्यू हो जाती है. नाउ वी हैव टू ऐड 9 in ones rod. See, ones rod. So now for 9, first of all we have to add 5. 5 हमने add किया and 4 we have put the beads up. So it makes 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have added 9 in our ones rod. Now next is 9. Again 9 you have to add in tens rod. You can see no sign is there. No sign means you have to add. 9 we have to add in tens rod. So we will do, kids, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I hope, kids, you are doing in your abacus tool. Just put the 5 bead down and 4 beads up. 5 bead down, 4 beads up. And this is your 9. Fine, kids? Very nice. Now, next is 5. But please watch the sign. It is minus. Minus means you have to subtract. Minus 5. So, in ones rod. In ones rod, minus 5 means put the 5 bead again up. See, I have subtract 5. 5 को अगर आपको subtract करना है तो आप 5 bead को up कर दो. 5 bead has gone to its place. See here, and it is subtracted. Now 5 in tens rod. See, tens rod. 5 means 5 bead up. Subtracted, I have 5. Now this is done, this is done. Now we come to 2. 2 in ones rod. Now you have to add 2. Now this is the place where we got lack of beads. See, you have to add 2 in ones rod. आपको 2 यहाँ पे ones rod में add करना है. But you can see that all the 4 beads are added. 4 beads तो पहले से ही add है. And you don't have any bead to add. आपके पास कोई bead नहीं है add करने के लिए. See, no bead is there down. So what you will use? Which bead you will use to add 2? Now there is lack of beads, and wherever there is lack of beads, you take the help of small friends formulas. See, I have written all the small friends formulas, but our today's sums are based on this formula. I hope, kids, you have written these small friends formulas in your abacus notebook. Very nice. So we will use this. So we will use this formula for adding 2. Now we have to add 2 in ones rod. So for adding 2, use the formula. First of all, do plus 5. पहले आप plus 5 करेंगे. So do plus 5. Done. Ones rod. Now we are doing in ones rod. So in ones rod, I have done plus 5. Now do -3. Up -3 करिए. For minus you have to put the bead down. So put the 3 beads down. See, I have done +5, -3 and your 2 is added. आपका 2 add हो गया है. Nothing you have to do. See kids, if you have to add 2 and the bead is not there, अगर आपको 2 add करना है और bead नहीं है, तो the easiest way is use this formula. And by using this formula, you have added 2 and nothing you have to do. See, first of all you will do +5, then you have done -3 and your 2 is added. This 2 is added. Understanding kids? After that, after doing +5 then -3, nothing you have to do, your 2 is added already. You will get more when we will do more sum kids. Now next is 2 you have to add in tens rod. See now 2, here you have to add 2 but again bead is not there. You can see here, see 2 beads. So again you will use the formula, and for adding 2, what is the formula? +5 -3, +5 -3. Now what is the meaning of +5 -3? Means first of all you have to +5. Understanding? आपको 5 पहले add करना है. Then you have to do -3. आपको 3 को minus कर देना है. See, you have added 5, then you are doing -3. How much it remains? See, 1, 2. You have added 2. Now for this number, for adding 2 in tens rod, bead is not there. So use the formula. Now first of all, what you will do? You will do +5. Then you will do -3. See, -3. -3 means put the 3 beads down. And your 2 is added. Nothing you have to do. +5, then -3 and your 2 is added. This is the power of small friends formula. Now you have to add 1. आपको 1 ऐड करना है 1 slot में. So add means put the bead up. So put the 1 bead up. I have put the 1 bead up. Now again you have to add 1 in tens rod. So in tens rod put the 1 bead up. And your question is completed. Now the answer. See here. First of all you will count the tens rod. 5, 6, 7. And then the units rod or the ones rod. 5, 6, 7. And your answer is 77. Again I am repeating kids. Wherever you will get lack of beads means beads की आपको कमी होगी. You have to add the beads but beads will not be there. You will use the small friends formula. आप small friends formula का use करेंगे. And our today's sums are based on this small friends formula. So our all sums are related to this only. Means we will get lack of beads of 2. We have to add 2 but bead will not be there. So we will use this formula. First of all we will do +5. Then we will do -3 and our 2 will get added. So kids, now we will move to our next sum. Set your abacus, upper beads up, lower beads down. Now your second sum. Now kids, shall we start? Very nice. Now kids, let's start with our second sum. As you can see, this number will go in ones rod and this will go in tens rod. As I always say, just learn it. See, first of all, you have to add 6 in one's rod. For 6, you will use 5. Now put the 5 bead down. Very nice. Now you have to add 6 but not 5. So take the 1 bead from down. Now this is 6. See, I put the 5 bead down, 1 bead up. So 5, 6. 6 you have added in 1's rod. Now again you have to add 6 in 10's rod. So for 6, put the 5 bead down and 1 bead up. 5 bead down and 1 bead up. So you have added 6. Now 66 we have completed. Now next we will move to 5. But please watch the sign carefully. See, minus sign is there. So you have to do minus 5. Minus 5 in 1's rod. For minus 5, you have to put the 5 bead again up. 5 bead back to its place. You have done minus 5. Now you have to do minus 5 in 10's rod. So you have put the 5 bead up again and your 55 is done. Now next kids, you have to add 2 in 1's rod. Now as you have to add 2, you will just rush to the small fence formula? No. Just see the beads are there or not. You have to add 2 in 1's rod and see beads are there. 3 beads are there. You can easily add 2. So kids, just remember, where you will have the beads, you will not use the small fence formula. Where you will not have the beads, जहाँ आपके पास beads नहीं होंगी, there will be lack of beads, there you will use this formula. So here you have to add 2 in 1's rod. So add means put the beads up. So put the 2 beads up. Nothing you have to use, means the small fence formula. Now again you have to add 2 in 10's rod. See, 3 beads are there, you can easily add 2. So put the 2 beads up. 2 beads up. I hope kids you are doing these sums with me in your abacus tool. Very nice. Now this is completed. Now you have to add 2 in 1's rod. Now see, you have to add 2 but the bead is not there. There is only 1 bead. So you will use the formula plus 2 is equals to plus 5 minus 3. Now first of all add 5. Add 5 means put the 5 bead down. Done? Then do minus 3. Minus 3 means put the 3 beads down. And you have added 2. आपका 2 add हो गया है. Nothing you have to do. See, again I am repeating, but you have done. First of all you have added 5. 5 bead down. And then you have done minus 3. Minus 3 means for minus put the bead down. See, down I have put 3 beads. Now you have to add 2 in 10's rod. आपको 2 10's rod में add करना and you can see bead is not there. So kids, now I think you have learned this formula. For plus 2 what you have to do? Plus 5 minus 3 plus 5 minus 3. So 2 you have to add in 10's rod. So first of all you will do plus 5 minus 3 plus 5 means you have put the 5 bead down here, touching the line now, added, and you have to put the 3 beads down means minus. For minus you have to put the bead down. So 1, 2, 3 beads you have put down back. And this is your answer and your sum is completed. So count it kids. First of all count the 10's rod. It is 5. And this is also 5. Kids, you will not count these beads because they are not touching the line. the beads which touch the line, जो beads इस line को touch करती हैं, we will count only those beads. हम सिर्फ उसी beads को count करते हैं. Fine kids, very nice. And this is your answer. Now we will move to our last sum. Just set your abacus kids. Upper beads up and lower beads down. Now kids, this will go in ones rod, this will go in tens rod. Now we will start. Just put in your mind and learn it that wherever you will get lack of bead, मतलब जहाँ भी आपको bead की कमी होगी, you have to add 2 but the bead is not there. But you will use this formula. Okay kids, very nice. So let's start. First of all, you have to add 4 in ones rod. 4 in ones rod. This is ones rod, and this you can say T. This is tens rod. You can write this also. So 4 you have to add in ones rod. 4 add for adding. What you have to do? Put the beads up. So put the 4 beads up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next you have to add 4 in tens rod. For adding 4, what you do? Put the beads up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. Now kids, you have to add 2 in ones rod. This you have completed. 2 in ones rod. See now 2 you have to add, but no bead is there. Now there is lack of beads, and wherever you get lack of beads, you go for small friends formula. So for adding 2, your small friend formula is plus 5 minus 3. So first of all you will do plus 5. आप करेंगे plus 5. Plus 5 means put the 5 bead down. Done kids? Very nice. And then minus 3. Minus 3 means put the 3 beads down. 1, 2, 3. And your 2 is added. Nothing you have to do. See, you have to add 2 in ones rod. So you use the small friend formula. Plus 5 minus 3. Plus 5 you have done. 5 you have added. You have put it down. And then you have to do minus 3. आपको minus 3 करना था. Minus means put the beads down. So you have put the 3 beads down. And your 2 is added. आपका 2 add हो गया है. You have added 5. Then you have minus 3 and your 2 is added. Then again you have to add 2 in tens rod. आपको 2 यहाँ tens rod में add करना है, but again you can see the bead is not there. Now kids, you are quite familiar with this formula. You can use the formula directly. Means wherever you have to add 2, first of all what you will do? You will do plus 5. आपको 5 को add कर देना है. Then you will do minus 3. Minus 3 means put the 3 beads down. So this minus 3 I put the 3 beads down. I have added 5 and I put the 3 beads down, means minus 3, and my 2 is added. Now some students will think that how this happens? We have done this and 2 is added. Yes, this is only the formula kids. First of all you will add 5. Then you will do minus 3. Minus means put the beads down. And minus 3 you will do. Then nothing you have to do. Your 2 is added. Now this is done. Now you will add 3 in ones rod. Now see 3 beads are there. So you will add 3. For adding you have to put the beads up. Now again we have to add 3 in tens rod. 3 means put the beads up. Put the beads up. 3. This is done. Now the last is 8. But 8 minus. Please watch the sign carefully. Minus 8 in ones rod. Minus 8. So 8 we will form with the help of 5. So first of all minus 5. Minus 5 means put the 5 bead back to its place. Very nice. Now it is 5. You have to minus 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 beads more. You have to put it down. Now this you have minus 8. See 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the combination of 5 and 3. So for minus 8, first of all what you have done, you have put the 5 bead back to its place, but it is 5. You have to minus 8. So 5, then you have put the 1 bead down, 6, 7, 8. You have put the 3 bead down, 5 bead from up, 3 bead from down, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you have subtracted 8. Now next you have to subtract 8 from tens rod also. Now what you will do, you will put the 5 bead back to its place, 5, then 6, then 7, then 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 bead back to its place and 3 bead back to its place. 5 को आपने वापस भेज दिया और 3 को आपने वापस भेज दिया. Now you can count it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 आपने minus कर दिया. Now what is your answer? See, 1 in tens rod and 1 in ones rod. So this is your answer, kids. I hope, kids, you get my today's sum. They are very easy. The most important thing that you have to learn is plus 2 is equals to plus 5 minus 3. Means wherever you will get lack of beads, जहाँ भी आपको beads की कमी होगी, आप इस formula का use करेंगे. I hope, kids, you like my today's video. As I always says, kids, the more you practice, the better the results. जितना आप ज़्यादा practice करेंगे, उतना अच्छा आपको result मिलेगा. This abacus is only based on practice. When you will practice the sums again and again, you can easily do the sums in some minutes or seconds in this abacus tool. So kids, with this video, I have given you one practice PDF. Practice that PDF in your abacus notebook by using abacus tool. Make sure, kids, you watch every single video. Next time we will meet with new topic and new formula. So kids, stay tuned to learn more. Thank you.
Practice the sums at home. Like and subscribe the video. Thank you.